Bill Gates recently suggested that the persistent shortage of doctors and teachers might soon be alleviated by the advent of artificial intelligence, which could fill these critical gaps. During an episode of the People by WTF podcast released on Friday, Gates expressed optimism about AI's potential to provide medical expertise, thereby addressing the shortage of healthcare professionals. Gates, who has long been an advocate for public health, highlighted that countries like India and many in Africa continue to struggle with a lack of medical professionals. The United States also faces a similar issue. According to a report from the Association of American Medical Colleges last year, the U.S. could experience a shortage of up to 86,000 specialists and primary care doctors by 2036. Michael Dill, the organization's director of workforce studies, emphasized the need for hundreds of thousands of doctors to ensure equitable care for all, including minorities, uninsured individuals, and those in rural areas. The dwindling number of doctors specializing in geriatric care poses another challenge as populations age. Medical professionals have warned that the increasing number of older patients could lead to a crisis in the quality of care. To combat burnout in the healthcare industry, AI startups focused on healthcare have raised billions by offering solutions that automate repetitive tasks such as billing and note-taking, enhance diagnostic accuracy, and identify patients for emerging treatments. McKinsey and Company estimates that generative AI could boost productivity in healthcare and pharmaceuticals by up to $370 billion. Education is also moving in a similar direction. In the United States, federal data from 2023 revealed that 86% of K-12 public schools reported difficulties in hiring teachers for the 2023 to 2024 school year, with about 45% of schools being understaffed. In the United Kingdom, a high school in London began replacing some teachers with AI tools like ChatGPT last year to assist students in exam preparation. The pilot program at David Gain College involves 20 students using AI tools for core subjects such as English, math, biology, and computer science. Despite concerns about students using AI to cheat, educators have expressed optimism about generative AI's potential to save teachers time and enhance learning, especially as classrooms face staffing challenges. Gates also mentioned that AI is poised to impact other sectors such as factory work, construction, and hospitality, where tasks require physical skill and time. He envisions a future where work could be significantly reduced or transformed. This shift may require a philosophical reevaluation of how time is spent. Gates admitted that adjusting to this new reality is challenging for those who have lived in a world of scarcity for decades. In 1930, economist John Maynard Keynes predicted that technological advancements could eventually reduce the workweek to just 15 hours. Nearly a century later, despite significant productivity gains, most people still work around 40 hours per week. Gates remarked that he chooses to work because he finds it enjoyable.